Welcome to video 2 in a series of videos describing the features and functions of the Icon 100 Presstek controller. This video explains the format of the Icon 100 screens and how to navigate around them. At the top of the screen, the system dashboard shows, and that shows on all Icon screens. It displays the current machine conditions and facilitates the general management of the system. In the top left corner is the home key, and this causes the system to always return back to screen number S01. That's this first splash screen. S01 shown here in this field. This key is particularly powerful. It allows you to manage the Icon system in terms of exiting back to Windows, turning the controller completely off as a normal Windows command, requesting an update from the Icon website, minimizing the screen to facilitate use with other applications that might be running at the time, to request assist, to go to a specific screen number, or to return to the iControl website. Particular power is this requesting assist. If this is proceeded with, then the current conditions that the controller sees in terms of tooling and job information, etc., is sent by email back to the iControl website. An email is then sent back out to a predetermined address, acknowledging that a request for assist has been received by our engineers, and asking for more information. Once that's responded to, then our engineering staff can make a complete and accurate assessment of where the project is. These two fields to the right of the home key on the dashboard are used for serviceability and information flowing back to the iControl technicians if required. The top number shows the application number that the Icon 1 motion controller is running, and this number is specific to the particular design of the press brake that's under control. In this case, application 0202 F200 B indicates that it's a synchronized press brake using digital linear scale transducers. The second number here, beginning with S, indicates the screen number that the operator is currently looking at. All Icon screens are numbered in this way. The field below is also particularly interested in the housekeeping of the machine, the current temperature inside the motion controller itself, the amount of current that the motion controller is consuming and sending out to the various field elements within the control system, and the current voltage that's also operating at the time within the control system. These values are in real time and are so very valuable for information which may be used for local, telephonic or online servicing. Next is the real-time clock and date. Date stamping on all activity within the Icon system uses this time and date. The next upper field displays the current job and its tooling configuration. In this case, the job is named door jamb from 2mm material using a top tool named test narrow and die block number 3. The section below indicates the current state of the system. The system is okay until a limit switch opens. In this case, the field is turned red and the X-axis negative limit switch is open, now restored. When the field is red, it means movement will be inhibited. Not on all axes necessarily. There's a logic to that. It's determined by icon as to which axis would be allowed to move and in which direction as a result of the limit switch being triggered. Selecting this field causes an event history to be shown. This log is of all events activated by the control system. The next key to the right is the axis control key, which will be covered in a separate video later. The key at the bottom here, the quick start key, displays simply the axis definitions and various icon functions which may be of interest to the operator for reference at a later date. The keys along the bottom of the screen here are used to set icon into its many different operational modes. Each of these keys will be addressed in detail in later videos. Thanks for watching.